Hello everybody in grade 11. This lesson is talking about the law of sine, and it is in a pre-calculus book, and it has two main points. The first point is the area of the triangle, and the second point is how to use the law of sine to solve the triangle. Let's get started with the first part, the area of the triangle. We have a new law to get the area of the triangle by means of the sides and the angles. For example, if you have a triangle like this, ABC, A, B, and C capitals related to the angles, and A small, B small, C smalls are related to the sides, representing the sides. So the area of the triangle equals half times A times B sine C, or half BC sine A, or half AC sine B. It means half any two sides multiplied by the sine of the angle included between these two sides. Example, find the area of the triangle SRT, this one. We have two angles here, 60 and 96 are an S, and we have two sides, 7.7 representing the S and 6.7 the R, and we need to get the area of this triangle. In fact, to get the area of this triangle, you have to know the angle between these two sides, which you need to know angle T. It is easy to get angle T by subtracting the sum of these two angles from 180, because the sum of the three angles in the triangle is 180. So angle T is equal to 180 minus the sum of 60 and 96, which is 24. Now we got this angle, which is 24, and we can get the area of the triangle since we know two sides and the included angle, the angle between these two sides. You can't get the area of triangle unless you know two sides and the included angle. So the area now is half times 7.7 times 6.7 sine 24, which is 10.5 centimeters square. This part has a practice in page 891 from 10 to 24. Let me take number 16 as an example. Find the area of the triangle ABC where B equals 13. B means the side which is opposite to the angle B. C, small, means the side which is opposite to the angle C. And A, capital, means angle A equals 100. First we have to draw this triangle and put this given on the sides and the angles, and then try to figure out, do you have two sides and included angle? Yes, we have it. So I can get the area. Now it's half times 16 times 13 sine 110. Piece of cake, easy. This is the first part of the lesson. The second part is talking about the law of sine, and in this part we'll figure out the relation between the sides and the angles in any triangle. We know that the scalene triangle, which has different sides, different side lengths, also has different angles in measure. So the bigger side is opposite to the angle with bigger measure, and so on. I can say that the law states that sine A over A means sine angle A over the side A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. This is the law of sine. How can we use it? Look at this example. Solve the triangle ABC. We have a triangle here, ABC. This triangle includes two angles and one side. We miss this angle and we miss these other two sides. And solve the triangle means get the missing sides and angles. So the easiest part is to get angle C. It is 180 minus the sum of the other two angles. So it's 65. How can I get A and B, the side A, which is opposite to the angle A, and B, the side B, which is opposite to the angle B? By means of the sine law. If you apply the law, now I can say that sine 62 over A equals sine 53 over B equals sine 65 over 5. And now by cross multiply, if you want to get A, it is 5 times sine 62 over sine 65, which is 4.9, and B, also by cross multiplying, 5 times sine 53 over sine 65. So we can get these two sides. Example 3, this is a word problem, and it is exists in page 888. It says that there is a hill here between these 2 points, and there is a triangle, and we need to get the distance between point A and point B, and we cannot get it because there is a hill here. And we have this shape, which is point C is far from B 422 feet, and AC you don't know it, but you have this angle which is 110 and this angle which is 30. I think we can say that this over sine this equals this over sine 30. Easy. So sine C over the side C, so sine 110 over C equals sine 30 over 422, and you can get the C by cross multiply. It will be 793 feet. And we have exercise on this part in page 899 from 24 to 43. Thank you for listening. Good luck.